You are welcome back again on the Betong's Media. I'm your guy, the Betong. Today we're gonna look at the number. What is happening in the crypto market. Going through some technical analysis to see what we can do. As we invest into our favorite cryptocurrency. I focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are the big daddies. They are the big guys, and when they move, other altcoins move as well. Today, I believe someone is gonna make money. Someone is gonna make money because I'm gonna set a trade soon so that you guys can see. Well, I'm not gonna put like set a trade, but I'm gonna give you guys a way that you can set a trade if say you want to. And I believe one of you guys is gonna make something today, and that is gonna be cool to see that you guys will make something cool. Let me go right away to check out what is happening in the market. Those of you who are watching on TikTok, if you say you want to see what I'm doing market review. I'm going through what is happening in the crypto market. And if you say you want to see my screen, what I'm sharing, go on YouTube right now at the Betong's Media. You're going to see what I'm doing, for your own good. Now, let's just go right away to see what is happening. I'm going to show you guys some price point where you can take some trade today and make some awesome profit for yourself, because the end goal here is for you guys to make profit. I want to see people make profit in cryptocurrency. This is the Shiba Inu and Bitcoin and chart. So I'm just gonna move this to, let me take this to Ethereum so we can have both charts here, Ethereum and yeah. So this is a 15-minute Ethereum chart. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. And guys, I trade this trend line here. I'm gonna go back to like Bitcoin alone so I can show you guys where you can like place a possible like trade. You can have a trade, right? So you can see, guys, I drew this trend line, and ever since you see Bitcoin is moving around this trend line. So if say you want to place a trade, like the rule I use, I focus mostly on support and resistance. And if say I see pullback, towards my support and resistance price point, then I'm gonna see if say I'll put a trade. Like for example, you see here that Bitcoin has been doing this, moving around this trend, and it's trying to make higher highs, right? But look at this. It tried to break this structure, and after breaking the structure, it retests this, like came back to retest this zone, and it's trading I think above this super trend buy and sell signal. So what I did here is, you see, I placed a notification here, and so for trading view to notify me if say Bitcoin break this level below, because if it breaks it, then I'm gonna be looking for a possible trade, right? And the way I place my trades is this, like it's like this. I look at the long, I look long position. So if I'm gonna take a long position, I'm gonna like make sure I place a trade in a way that I wouldn't be kicked out of the trade. I put my support, my stop loss at this level, because I know if say Bitcoin is breaking this level, then it's gonna go down. And I put my take profits at this level, because I know Bitcoin is gonna go right up to at least 23,000. So by this, like if it gets to this point, then I'm gonna take out profit. Those of you who are watching on TikTok, if you want to see what I'm doing today, right now I'm sharing on YouTube my screen. So go on YouTube, the Betong Media. You're gonna see, if say you wanna make money with cryptocurrency, go to YouTube right now, the Betong Media, and follow what I'm doing. You can place a trade, you can follow what I'm doing and place a trade. You can never know, you can make something out of maybe it's anything you put in it, right? So guys, what I'm looking here, what I was looking here was break of this structure. This was a structure here, and I saw the break, and Bitcoin retest this zone again. And right now I'm gonna look for, like, is this a bet? This is a perfect moment to place a trade. So if I'm placing the trade, I already placed the trade anyways. But this was where I took the trade. I took the trade here, and I'm expecting the price to go right up to 23K before coming back to retest. Or maybe it will be playing like this. No, no, look at what the Bitcoin is doing. It's just going trading within this trend line. So it can be going like that until it gets to like, yeah, I can go until it gets to 23k or 28k. But my target point is, to an extent, if say Bitcoin breaks above 23k, then I'm gonna be placing another trade to take profit at 28k or 25k. Yeah, because 25k is the range is where there's a strong resistance. You can see up here there's a strong resistance at 25k. Yeah, so you guys can check it out as well if say you want to take advantage of this. The idea here, guys, is for you to be able to make something out of it. And the title of my video says that repo partnership can make Bitcoin price to go to the upside. Well, I believe that I believe that repo partnership can not only Bitcoin, many cryptocurrency go up. They have partnered with WEF, that's World Economic Forum, and this is a huge partnership. This organization is huge, right? World Economic Forum partnering with repo. It exposed so many people to cryptocurrency, and this is something I love about fundamentals. I don't care what people say about cryptocurrency, if say it's a scam, if it's good or bad. I care what I can see on the chart, what I can see on main on-chain and on-chain stats, and also what I can see from fundamental analysis. So if I see the fundamental, I see the technical analysis, everything is good, then why should I listen to what people will say, right? I don't care so much about that, what people are gonna say when it comes to this. Those of you who are watching on TikTok, I'm doing this show every day. I want to help people to trade and make money in the financial market, in the crypto market. So if say you want to follow what I'm doing, go to my YouTube right now, The Betong Media. The name is The Betong, as you see on TikTok. Go right now and follow me there so that you can see what I am doing on a daily basis. Now, guys, this is very important. I know most of you guys want to know when to buy and when to sell. Like I already showed you guys. If say you want to place this trade, this is Bitcoin, right? Of course, this is not financial advice. Well, I'm just doing this for the educational purpose only, so don't go and quote me that I'll give you a way to trade Bitcoin. No, this is not a financial advice. Or what I'm doing here is education only. So make sure you are doing your own due diligence before you get involved into any trade. So you can see here, let me just show you guys something like yeah. So you can see the account size is 280 dollars, like 280 USD, and the entry price is this is here. The profit level is here. This is the where I want to take profit, and also like all the details here you can find here. And let me just go to visibility and style. Okay, no, not that one. But what I'm trying to say here is, if say you want to place a trade right now, you see you can follow. Like the stop loss is at 20,619, and the take profit is at 23,000 US dollars. So if say you want to take, go to The Betong Media right now, The Betong Media on YouTube, and you're gonna see what I'm doing here on my screen. I'm showing I'm doing some TA, technical analysis, on Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I know they are the big daddies in the cryptocurrency market. So if say they move, other cryptocurrency are likely to move, following their trend. So go to The Betong Media, the same name you find on TikTok, The Betong Media. You're gonna see me live on YouTube, so you can follow what I'm doing. Yeah, I just want to help people to be able to make good decisions as they go about trading, or knowing. You don't have to trade, you can just invest and know. Like I used to tell people that you don't have to trade, but you can know when to buy, because knowing when to buy is very important. Even though nobody can time the right time to buy, but you can have different price point in your trading or your investment career, that whenever you put a trade, it's gonna be something good for you in the long run. So you want to check that out if say it's something you can take advantage of, because I want to see you guys do something for yourself. Now, if I let me see how many hours have I 10 minutes. I've been streaming for 10 minutes already. So let me see. Let me just go to the daily time frame so we can see this properly. Guys, you guys might not understand what is happening here, but I have, there's so many trend lines, so many lines here. It helps me to trade short-term trades, to play short-term trade, because these are different levels that I trade. And you see I have this trend line here. Bitcoin was moving within this trend line. If say you guys follow my channel ever since, you would have been making money already with cryptocurrency, and you can see this trend line. Bitcoin has been moving within this trend line, and finally it breaks the trend line, and it has found a support here. Now I drew another trend line, and from what I'm seeing here, is like Bitcoin is moving same along this trend line, and this is a good sign that it might go break, or break again this resistance, because this trend line which was support has become resistance, right? I'm gonna do a video how I trade support and resistance, so you guys can understand more better about it. But what I'm looking for here is, let me zoom this a little bit so you can see. You see, this is a daily chart. From where we are right now, we are about to make an uptrend, and we should expect Bitcoin to go at, as I mentioned, 23k, right? Looking at the daily chart. So if that happens, then you should be making some profit. But if you want to place a really long trade, then you can wait for Bitcoin to break this structure, like 23k structure. After that, then you wait for a possible time to take a trade. So I think this will be something that I myself I'm going to be doing, because if I see Bitcoin breaks this resistance of this 25, so yeah, this is 23,000 resistance. I want to place a trade to take profit at I think 28k, something like that. I believe that Bitcoin will go right up to 28k. That is for sure. I am sure about that. The Bitcoin will go to that level. Yeah, so guys, I said let me come here as usual to show you what is happening. I believe most of you who follow me already, you have known different price levels that you can buy, make profit out of the trade. And yeah, let me know at the comment section below if say you are buying Bitcoin. If you're trading Bitcoin, what are you trading? What are you buying? Let me know at the comment section below, because I really want to help people out there. I'm going to be doing a different series on how you can trade Binance P2P. Those of you who are scared of the crypto market, you don't want to trade, you can also do Binance P2P trading and make money for me, right? So these are the kind of things I want to educate people about. I want people to have this knowledge, because knowledge is power, knowledge is key. If you have the knowledge, then nothing is impossible for you to achieve. Don't always come here and say and complain. There's always an opportunity for someone out there to make something, and I've made myself to be that person who always look for new opportunities, new ways to make money online. And I want to always share with people out there on how they can make money as well online, because that's the essence of what I do here every day. It's all about trying to help people and on how they can go about all this stuff. So those of you who really want to learn on how you can take advantage of all what I've mentioned here today, then you want to make sure you follow my daily programs. I do it on live on YouTube, and I do it also on TikTok, but I share my screen on YouTube, because I want like it's more easier to share screen on YouTube, right? So that's how I go about all this. So those of you who are watching on YouTube, you guys are awesome always, and thanks for being here with me. See you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna upload a video on how I trade support and resistance, so you guys can take advantage of it as well. So if you are still watching and you haven't yet smashed the sub button, then go right now and smash the subscribe button. Give me some thumbs up, then see you in the next video. Bye bye.